Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this awesome tablet stand. I've been using this for about 4 weeks now. Really, really like it a lot. What couple of things that I like about it, it folds flat just like this. So super easy to travel with and take with you on the go. It is less than 1 pound, which is absolutely awesome. This is kind of what it looks like over here that I'll kind of show you with like tablets and phones on it. So you'll see right over here, it just hinges up just like that. Really, really nice, sturdy base here. Then we're gonna flip that right over here, and then we're just gonna pop out these two buttons just like that. And that's what's gonna be holding your tablet just like that. So it has a really nice rest. You can do the tablet vertically, or you could do it horizontally, however you like. Show that a little better for you right over there. So either way works right over there, and you can move it flat if you wanted to as well, which is really, really nice. It does work with e-readers as well, and it is metal. You can see here it works with a phone as well. This is an iPhone right over here. So you can see plenty of space over here, and it even works vertically as well, as you can see right over there. So you don't have to worry about your phone. It's super sturdy as well and stable. As you can see, I'm moving it. The phone is not going anywhere, which is really nice. You got a nice little spring over here as well, and it's not like fast and loose. Like you'll see as I'm pushing this down, it's super slow. One thing to note is you want to shut these right over here before it will go flat, just like that. And we also have padding on the bottom here, so you don't have to worry about it scratching any of your surfaces or anything like that. We even have an Allen wrench here if we needed to retighten anything like that. Haven't had to do that, but you could also use this for video games if you have a Nintendo Switch, or even you're just playing a game on your phone or your iPad. Sometimes it's super annoying just to hold the phone, and you could just hold it here. And I just like how these pop out really simply, just like that. And it is overall just a really nice stand. One thing to note is this doesn't rotate. So if you're looking for something that rotates, this might not be for you, but this is definitely just a really, really solid stand. I mean, especially just having stuff like you could just have that like that, and you could angle it down or more. This is good, could be great when you're cooking, if you're looking at a recipe, or you're watching a YouTube video to make a recipe. Instead of kind of having your phone, getting your phone all dirty, you could just put this tablet here and angle it however you want. And again, it is less than a pound, really easy to travel with. Literally could just fold it down. You could easily put this in a backpack, a bag, whatever you want. So if you are looking for an amazing tablet stand that is super sturdy, could hold tablets up to 15.9 inches, you are absolutely going to love this one. And I hope you found this video review helpful.